Hey guys, you see this sharp katana? It looks like a masterpiece, right? But believe it or not, this sword started its life as a pile of rusted garbage chains. Stick around, I'm going to show you exactly how we turn this heavy scrap metal into a legendary blade. Step 1 is preparation. These chains are old and corroded, but there is high quality steel hidden under that rust. We need to cut them into small pieces and stack them tight. It's like a 3D puzzle. The tighter the stack, the stronger the final steel will be. This is where the magic happens. We heat the stack until it's white hot. That giant power hammer creates massive pressure, crushing the links together. We are literally welding the chains into a solid block of steel. No more links, just raw unified power. Now for the most critical part, the quench. We coated the blade with clay to control the cooling. This creates that beautiful wave pattern called the Hamon. But watch out, if we get this wrong, the blade will crack instantly. Here we go. And there it is. From a pile of rust to a razor sharp work of art. The polish, the handle, everything came together perfectly. If you enjoyed this transformation, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more industrial builds. Thanks for watching.